Hey guys, what's up? It's Danielle. So welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have something that I have not shared in a very long time. And this is actually the medical roll that I keep in my car. Also, Baki has decided to grace us with his chubby presence. So you're going to see kitty belly, kitty paws. But anyways, also, that's just kind of a disclaimer. He might walk around a little bit. But anyways, this is from Blackhawk. Had this for almost 10 years now. And I really like it because, excuse you, sir. Excuse you. I really like it because not only is it made really well, but you can tell it is pretty compact. Now, I like to keep this in my car, and I do swap things out of here regularly, so I don't have to worry about things expiring. And unfortunately, I do have to park like outside, so I am aware, because somebody commented on one of my last videos when I was showing EDC stuff, that, you know, you have to be careful with things that are exposed to extreme heat or cold. So anyways, what I really like about this, like I said before, is that it's compact. And another thing is that you can actually buckle it, and then you can make it even tighter by, you know, pulling the straps down. There's really strong Velcro that holds it together. So you have the added benefit of not one, but two closures. And this is what it looks like completely unrolled. Obviously, my cat is in the way. This seems to be a common theme on my videos now. He just, I don't know. He does what he does. But this is what it looks like completely rolled out. The only thing I don't have in here is a tourniquet. And that's mainly because I keep forgetting to buy one. I do know how to use tourniquets, so don't come for me. And also, I have a brother who is a nurse, and he also was an EMT. So I tend to learn a lot from him, but I've also taken like CPR classes. I'm not well versed like as much as an actual medical professional, but for basic first aid, you know, it's not that hard in my opinion. So anyways, I'm going to start over here on the left. I used to keep different medications in this pill organizer, and then I got kind of tired of swapping them out. So I just keep earplugs in here, which these are kind of a backup. I love redundancy. That's probably my favorite thing. And I do keep earplugs in other parts of my car, but, you know, this is only a portion of what I do keep in my car. I do have a car organization tour that I filmed earlier this year, which I will have linked below if you're interested. And I will be going through in more detail, like the more survival type stuff I have further on. But in the bottom of this pocket, this is actually Velcro. There's actually some tweezers, and then there's some trauma shears in there, and just, you know, like the scissors that you use for dressings. These trauma shears I actually got from work, so that was actually pretty handy. I have a couple pairs of these. And whoops, what I like to do is I like to leave a little note of the last time that I updated this. So a lot of this tends to stay the same. I mean, I do swap things out pretty regularly, but things that I don't have to worry about a whole lot are like Q-tips, obviously, unless they've been exposed to the air or whatever. These pockets are slip pockets, and it's nice because you can see everything that you have. And then running through the middle, there's elastic bands, so you can put even more in here. So I basically have stuff that's like for basic first aid and for, I guess, comfort, if you will. So I have moleskin up here, which is for blisters. Then I have some extra pads because you never know as a lady. Q-tips. And then there's different types of tape in here. And again, never know. Then in here, this is where I have the triangular bandages. Sorry, my cat's distracting me because he's being very cute right now. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, your paws are in the way, baby cat. All right, here, we're going to do that. How about that? You hold on to it, okay? Then up here, there's a cold, like an ice pack. I hate these because I feel like they don't work that well, but you know, in a pinch, it's not a bad thing to have. And what are you doing? Sir, excuse me. And then right here, I just have some gauze pads in different sizes. And if I can move this over, because my cat's being a booger right now. I have gauze rolls up here. And then these are like first aid guides or whatever. So one of them is actually for survival, like in the woods. And then the other one is just like a basic one. I think I've had this since I took a first aid class when I was like 14, oddly enough. But anyways, right here, there's a CPR face mask and some surgical masks. Then, I apologize about the glare. Then there's some gloves, and there's also a biohazard sticker because you never know. I do keep plastic bags in my car, so if anything ends up happening, I can grab for that. I used to keep them in here. I don't know what happened to them, but I'm going to have to throw that in here as well, along with a tourniquet. Up here, I have different sorts of bandages, and I mean, these are more so for like small things, you know. Obviously I'm not gonna, if I'm bleeding out, I'm not gonna be using something like that. And then this is what I tend to replace most often. So these are like ointments, and there's also stuff like non-aspirin in here, as well as some antacid tablets, alcohol prep pads. And something that I learned this year is that my HSA through my job will actually cover first aid kits. So that makes this a lot easier. I don't have to buy Band-Aids myself or really any of this anymore because I can just get it through my HSA. So that makes replenishing this really, really easy. Obviously, like I said, this is like really basic. But I like this because not only is it more compact, but it's also like more involved, I guess you could say. So I can add stuff to this and I would still have space for other things. Whoops, sorry. And I don't know, I really like having this. I think it's definitely worth the money. I mean, it's held up beautifully for me over the years, and it's really nice to have. Because the other thing I like is that when I go camping, now granted, I'm a girl, so I'm not going to go very far, but when I go camping, I can just take the whole roll out with me, and I can chuck it in my tent. Now he's playing with his tail. But yeah, I can just take the whole thing out with me and put it in my tent. That way, if I end up needing stuff, I can definitely just have it ready to go. So anyways, highly, highly recommend this. I think I got this on Amazon back in the day, but I do believe they still sell them. I mean, obviously, it's easy to just, you know, carry a basic first aid kit. But I wanted something that I could personalize because I don't like a lot of the stuff that comes in basic first aid kits. I tend to be pretty particular, and I wholeheartedly believe in redundancy. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry about my cat causing chaos. It's what he does. And here, we'll give you a little Baki cameo. Come here, look at this, look. You're very cute. You're very cute. Yes, you are. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all. And Baki loves you too. And I'll talk to you on my next video. Bye, guys.